Stitch is Google's new AI-powered UI design tool. It helps create user interfaces for apps and websites. You can give it text descriptions or images, and it will generate UI designs and the code for them. It makes UI design and development faster. Stitch provides you with ready-to-use UI designs, along with the front-end code and Figma files. This lets you quickly implement the designs in your projects or further customize them. It is completely free and only requires you to sign in with your Gmail account. To test it out, I asked it to design me a mobile app where users can order a drone to come be their robot cameraman, kind of like an Uber for drones. This is what it created for me. I then asked it to design a few more screens for this app. I can then ask to edit any individual screen by clicking Edit on it and describing what I want changed. At the top here, I can change between light mode and dark mode. I can change the color scheme and also the font used for the text in the app. And once I'm satisfied with the designs, I can copy the HTML code or export the file for use in Figma.